Unboxing the Kenwood KMR-M508DAB Marine radio. Let's see what's in the box. ISO block. Good, very good. Hands-free kit microphone, or hands-free microphone, comes with the radio. I'm not gonna install that on the boat, I think, because this radio is gonna go on my boat. And there she is, the radio. Let's stick her out. Looks nice, looks really nice. Yeah, DAB plus antenna. I think there was supposed to be one a passive antenna coming with the radio. It said so in the what comes in the box text on the website. So let me figure out what happened to that thing, because it's not in the box. No, this is just a microphone, the ISO thing, and the radio. Okay, well, let's figure that out later.